This is Logan Seymour from Cayman Islands, Hurricane Paloma.
Logan, you're recording on that?
Hurry up!
As you can see, the trees are blowing. It's flooded. My street's flooded all the way. Look at that. They're walking in the water. Lead right. Some crazy times. You look at my house, electricity is out. So crazy. Look at the sky. Let's go take a look at the backyard. You saw that? Power flashing on and off, on and off. Look at the backyard. Water everywhere. Flooded up. That's a whole step down to another step that's underwater. As you can see, it's pretty crazy. They have shutters on the windows. The trees are blowing like crazy. The trees are blowing like crazy. This is the backyard, flooded up to the top. As you can see, look at those gusts. Look at the trees. Look at the trees. Feel those gusts? You hear them? It's crazy. I could flip the trampoline over. Whoa! Shit, I'm got blown away, blown away. What? See the trees moving. Crazy stuff. Hurricane Paloma. It's Logan Seymour recording live from Hurricane Paloma. As you can see, it's getting worse. That tree. Water is now 1 foot and 2 inches high. We'll have more coming in later.